Hello everyone, my name is Lynn and I'm going to talk about one of my favorite Jernigan products, which is Lymogen. And I like Lymogen because it's an all-in-one formula. If I'm having a flare, I don't need to know which infection I'm having a problem with at the moment. I can take Lymogen and it helps me function until I can get to my next appointment out of state with my Lyme doctor. It works really well. It can make the difference between standing up and doing things or crawling into a corner and just giving up on the world. I also like the neuro antitox formulas for musculoskeletal and central nervous system. They can work really well for taking the edge off of pain symptoms. And so I just hope all the best for you in your healing journeys. And because of Lymogen, I'm outside today. And enjoying some fresh air and sunshine like I'm supposed to be at the shore of Lake Huron in northeast lower Michigan. So I